Hi, I am Mr. Madrilejos, your high school math teacher. I am willing to help you with your math problem. Shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like and subscribe my videos.
The next example is example number 5. Okay. It says here 44 is 80% of what number? Choices are A is 51, B is 53, C is 55, and D is 57. Let's do it this way. This is word problem. Some are got lost with this, but take note. This is just some word that convert to multiplication. Like the word is. The meaning of is, was, where, are in mathematics is equals. The word of in mathematics is multiply. I'll put dot. So sometimes the multiply sign looks like X. It's a variable. Now I'm going to drop down this number here. 4, 44, and 80. Instead of writing 80, I'm going to put 0.80. 0.8. Okay. The what number we're looking for something. Let's put that as just use the letter X for what number. Any variable can be. You know what? Let's put N. Let's put N. So if you notice that this equation is 44 is 0.8 times N. That's the equation. Now we're solving for N. What's the opposite of multiplication? It's division. Okay. So the division of this is you're going to divide this by 0.8 to cancel it out. Leave the N alone. 0.8. Okay. So if I'll do the division of this, you can use this in calculator, but you had 0.8 there divided by 4. 44. So for now, I'm going to remove first the 0 point. Let's solve that for now. So how many 8s in 40s? You got 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Drop down the 4. Add 0. How many 8s again in 40? So you're going to put divide 40 divided by 8 is. Now, we had point earlier here, 0.8. So it means the point is also there. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, the answer is 55. Letter C. Okay. Next question. Okay. This one is the most common question that question number 6. Even high school having issue. Question number 6. It says here, what is the value of the expression given below? We got 26 minus 7, 3 plus 5 by 4 plus 2. The choices are A is 14, B is 16.67, C is 23, and D is 40. So going back to the basic PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. I'm going to start inside the parentheses. Parentheses means group of number inside the parentheses. So I saw parentheses, there's a group of number. Let me solve that group of number. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. So now I can figure out 7, 26. Divide by 4 plus 2. Now 7 times 8 is what, 56, but there's a negative, so I'm going to put this as negative 56. Have you noticed I haven't changed the color here? It means I haven't touched that. I haven't do the operation. I'm just changing the color of those I did the operation. Now after PEMDAS, I didn't see exponent. I didn't see multiplication, but I saw division. So I'm going to divide these two. Negative 56 divided by 4. Okay, looks like it's 14. But there's a negative there, so I'm going to put negative 14 here. Okay. 26 here. That's minus 14 plus 2. Now the rules after this is you work from left to right. From left to right. So 26 minus 14, that makes 12. I'm gonna let's change the color. Just this 2 is just 12. Okay. Plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Answer's letter A. Okay. Again, answer is 14. Question number 7. Last question that I'm gonna answer for today. There are fractions there, decimals. The question is, which of the following numbers is the greatest? No, the word greatest means large number. Largest number from that group. Says here 2 over 3 and 0.6 13 over 22 0.08. So the choices are A is 2/3, B is 0.6, C is 13 over 22, and D is 0.08. Okay, the largest number, greatest. Okay, easier for me here is to divide or to convert it to decimal. So if I look at these two, this is greatest, so this is not an answer. So remove that from your choice. It's like D, don't answer that. If I divide this, okay, so I'm going to divide 3 divided by 2.0 because it's whole number. We cannot divide by 2, we put 0. So how many 3's inside the 20? I'm going to put that there. So I saw 6 because 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. I'll put 6 here. And I'll put 18 here. I'm going to subtract. It's 0.2. Okay. Now I'm going to drop down 0. How many 6 again in 20? It's going to be 6 again. 6 times 3 is 18. It's going to be continuous. 0.6. So the value of this 2/3 is 0.6. Looks like this is not an answer. So between the two, let's start the other one here. It's convert this to 22 divided by. Okay. Now the question there is how many 22s in 130? Let's try. 22 times 5. 10 carry 1. 10, 11. Looks like for me it's 0.5 here. Okay. So 5, it's 110. It's 20 here. 0.0. Drop down that. 0.59, I guess. Yeah, it's 0.59. So you're looking at these two number here. This is bigger, so the answer is 2/3. All right, this is gonna be the last for today. Pere Officer Pumarada, I'm gonna continue this next time. Thank you. Good luck to your recruiting. Hurrah, CBs.